chemosynthesis, digestion or breakdown of organic compound, or assimilation of nitrogenous compound. Photosynthesis, no role, because chlorella and spirulina was used by Marin Calvin to show the Calvin cycle, but there is no role. Chemosynthesis, no role. Digestion and breakdown is the very important role of bacteria, because when we see the characteristic of microorganisms such as bacteria, we saw that they are important decomposer and mineralizers. Decomposer means they will make complex insoluble substance into simple and soluble substance. So answer I got third. Then next question. Question number 23rd. A few organisms are known to grow and multiply at a temperature 100 to 105 degree. They belong to marine archaebacteria, thermophilic sulfur bacteria, blue-green bacteria, or thermophilic subaerial fungi. So answer will be a marine bacteria, because marine archaebacteria. We know what is meant by archaebacteria. Archaea, it means primitive, most primitive. These bacteria don't contain peptidoglycan in their cell wall. Instead of that, they will contain the pseudomurin, and their cell wall is non-cellulosic, contain the polysaccharide. So this will be the answer. Thermophilic sulfur bacteria is not there, because thermophilic bacteria will survive up to the range of 80 degree, not more than that. Beyond 80 degree and 100 degree, the bacteria which survive in such a temperature, they are called as hyperthermophile. Blue-green algae, it is sensitive to a high temperature, it will not work. Thermophilic subaerial fungi, it will not also work at that temperature, because 100 degrees high temperature. Then question number 24. Which of the following microorganism is used for the production of citric acid? We saw in the topic will come later on, microbes in human welfare. There is different microbes are given and which kind of product they will synthesize. So if you see about the organic acid, the citric acid is organic acid. So this microbe, Penicillium citrinum, it will not synthesize this citric acid. It will be synthesized by Aspergillus niger. If you are looking at see here, this is this part. This part is called as mouth angle. So at that part there is moisture. So here this microbe will survive, Aspergillus niger. Beside at other places also it survive, but we can found it here also. So this microbe is used to make this citric acid. Then Rhizopus nigericus, no work. Lactobacillus, we know it will convert the lactose into a Lactobacillus bulgaris is given, not LAB. So it will not work for citric acid. And we know from where this Aspergillus niger belong. We saw the 4 group of fungi, that is Phycomycete, algae-like fungi, Ascomycete, asco means bag, mycete means mycelium, body of fungus, then Basidiomycetes, basidium means club, and mycete means mycelium, body of fungus, and Deuteromycetes. So these belong to Aspergillus. This Aspergillus niger belong to Ascomycetes. Then next question. Question number 25. Transfer of genetic material from one bacterium to another in the transduction process occurs through conjugation, no. Because what is meant by conjugation? Conjugation means when 2 bacteria come closer, like this. Suppose I'm drawing here 2 bacteria. This is the conjugation tube. This is F plus bacteria. Plus means this is male bacteria, and this is F minus means female bacteria. This is M means male, this is F means female. M means male bacteria which donate the gene, and F minus which accept the gene. So the gene from male to female bacterium go through conjugation tube, and this phenomenon is called as conjugation. This conjugation tube is produced by villi. So it will not be answer. For transduction, bacteriophage is needed. Bacteria, it means bacteria, and phage, it means to eat. So viruses are of 3 types, that is plant virus, animal virus, and third category is bacteria eating virus called as bacteriophage. So they will attack the bacteria, then take control over it, their genetic material by a process called as transduction. See, in the bacteria there is no true sexual reproduction. So instead of that, they will have transformation, conjugation, and transduction. Another bacterium is wrong. Physical contact is also wrong of recipient, donor, and strain. That I already explained what is this. Then question number 26. Yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used in the industrial production of. Focus here. Saccharomyces it means sugar. Myces means mycelium, means body of fungus. So Saccharomyces is used to make ethanol. It will be used in the production of ethanol. Citric acid, Aspergillus niger. Tetracycline is the antibiotic. Its source is different. Butanil is alcohol, but this is not synthesized with the help of this Saccharomyces. So answer will be 3. Next question. In prokaryotic, the genetic material is linear DNA with histone. This is not there because such a kind of genetic material is present in the eukaryotic, linear and histone. What is in by histone? Histone is a protein which has 2 basic protein, that is arginine, this is G, arginine, and a lysine. These 2 proteins. These are called as basic protein. Basic means what? We know amino acid contain 1 amino and other is acid, that is carboxylic group. But if the amino acid contain 2 or more than 2 basic group, then such amino acid is called as basic because it contain more base than the acid. Hence the name. Circular DNA with histone. Circular DNA is there in prokaryotic, but it is not with the histone. So this option will also be wrong. Linear DNA without histone. It is also wrong because linear DNA is not there. So option 4 will be a correct. Circular DNA with histone protein. Then next, photosynthetic bacteria pigment. If we see this, photosynthetic bacteria have pigments in leucoplast, chloroplast, chromoplast, and chlorophore. Chromatophores. Leuco means white, chloro means green, plast means plastid pigment, then chromoplast and chromatophores. So answer will be the chromatophores because leuco means white, so there is no meaning. Chloroplast is present in the higher plants, not in the bacteria. Chromo it means color, plast, but it is not also there in bacteria. Chromatophore is there, which contain the pigment such as bacteriochlorophyll, phyco, no, not phyco, because phyco it means algae. Phycoerythrin, phycocyanin it is present in them. So remember this name. Which organism is used for increasing the yield of rice? Anabaena. This is correct because Anabaena and Azolla they will help the rice crop. Rice crop is a paddy crop. For their increase their production, for their increasing their production, this microbe is necessary. Bacillus papilli, there is no role. Sesbania is no role. Bacillus polymixa, no role. Next, interferon. Look at that, this name, interferon. Means it will interfere with the replication. So when virus attack normal healthy person, so its body will start to synthesize this protein, interferon, and it will interfere with the viral replication so that that virus cannot harm to their host. So it will be an antiviral protein, not antibacterial protein, not anti-cancer, neither complex protein. In fungi, the stored food material is glycogen, starch, sucrose, or glucose. So if we see about them, the glycogen is there because glycogen, excess of glucose is converted into the glycogen, and that is used to synthesize starch. Then next question, a virus can considered a living organism because it responds to touch, stimuli, respire, reproduce inside the host, and can cause disease. We know the virus are, what is in the virus? Viruses are connecting link between the living and non-living. So it will never respond to touch stimuli. It will not do respiration because it has a cellular structure. It reproduces inside the host. This is correct option because for the replication of virus, it needs the host. And we saw that viruses are obligate parasite. Means definitely they will harm the particular pathogen and then they will produce such a effect. Then answer will be 3. Then next question. Question number 33. Comma shaped bacteria. Comma it means vibrio. Because coccus means ring. When single ring is there, we call as monococcus. 2 ring, diplococcus. Straight chain, it means streptococcus. Streptococcus. And when there is bunch of grape, it is called as staphylococcus. Spiral, it means spiral shape. You know, वो जो पानी की टाकी रहती बड़ी गवर्नमेंट की, उसके ऊपर जो जाने की सीढ़ी रहती वो रहती स्पाइरल शेप. सो लाइक दैट स्पाइरल शेप. एग्जांपल ट्रिपोनिमा पैलाडियम व्हिच कॉजेस सिफिलिस. तो वो जो होते माइक्रो वो होते स्पाइरल शेप के. लोपोट्रिकस, दिस इज नॉट द शेप ऑफ बैक्टीरिया. लोपोट्रिकस मीन्स ट्रिकस का मीनिंग होता है फ्लैचेला. अगर एक बैक्टीरिया को दोनों साइड से ऐसा फ्लैचेला है तो उसको कहा जाएगा लोफोट्रिकस. वो गर्ल्स को होती है पोनी दोनों साइड से, तो वैसा ये दिखेगा लोफोट्रिकस. बैक्टीरिया को दोनों साइड से दिखेगा तो उसको कहेगा लोफोट्रिकस. सभी साइड से होगा तो उसको कहा जाएगा पेरिट्रिकस. और नहीं रहेगा फ्लैचेला तब कहा जाएगा अट्रिकस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 34. विच बैक्टीरिया यूटिलाइज्ड इन गोबर गैस प्लांट? मिथानोजन, nitrifying bacteria, ammoniifying bacteria, denitrifying bacteria. So the correct option will be methanogen, because methanogen means these are the microbes which can produce the methane. For example, methanococcus also. So we saw in the gobar gas, these bacteria are useful. DAM. Remember this word. DAM. Mute your mic. Don't turn off mic. Don't turn on your mic. Decomposer, acetogen and methanogen. Decomposer means they will decompose or digest the complex insoluble substance into the simple soluble substance. Then acetogens will produce the acetic acid from the digested material. And then methanogen will produce methane from that acetic acid. We know the formula for acetic acid. CH3 COOH. This is acetic acid. So after decarboxylation means removal of this CO2, this CH3 and this H will produce CH4, and this CH4 is nothing but the what? Methane gas, which is called as gobar gas, chloroclar gas, sewage gas, sludge gas, or marsh gas. These are the different names. Remember this word dam, क्योंकि डैम के नीचे भी मतलब डैम के अंदर जहां पर वाटर ज्यादा स्टोर किया उसके नीचे का जो सरफेस है वहां पर भी मीथेन प्रोड्यूस होगा, तो इसलिए याद रखें डैम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अमीबा एंड पैरामीशियम show the osmoregulation through their pseudopodia. Pseudopodia is not there because it is locomotory organ, so it is not for osmoregulation. Nucleus, it will control the metabolic activities. Contractile vacuole, yes, it will do osmoregulation. General surface will not do this activity. Then question number 36. Virus attack the bacterium but neither multiplies nor bacterium dies due to. It will dies due to lysogeny. Adsorption, no. Adsorption means phenomenon of deposition of one substance into the surface of another substance. That is adsorption. Assimilation will not be there. Viral stability is not there. Lysogeny will be the correct answer. Lyso means lysis and breaking. Geny means birth. Lyso means lysis means breaking. So answer will be A. Then question number 36. Mycorrhiza represent antagonism? No. Because myco means fungus and rhiza means root. So if we see the root of plants, some plant, not all the plants, their outer surface is covered with the help of this fungus, and when it is covered from the outer surface, it is called as ectomycorrhiza. And if fungus is going to penetrate inside the root of plant by breaking their cortical cell, then such a mycorrhiza is called as endomycorrhiza. And when this endomycorrhiza goes inside the plant, it will produce worm. That is, vesicular, herbuscular, mycorrhizae, and help the plant. Means if the plant is growing in such a region where there is a less water, where there is a less nutrient, so this fungi will help the plant to provide the nutrition, water, different ions. So there will be a growth of plant takes place, and to this fungus, that plant will provide the shelter. Hence, there is a symbiosis, means mutualism. We can see mutualism means it is the association in which both the partner get benefited. In parasitism, one partner get benefited and other get harmed. Hence, it will not be there. This word is not going to suit for this mycorrhiza because ion, its meaning is ion, and demi means demo, population. Study of population is called demography. Question number 38. Which of the following is not true for retrovirus? It is not present at any stages in the life cycle of retrovirus. Not true bola hai. Means we have to figure out which is true sentence. The first is not true. Second, retrovirus carry the gene for RNA dependent RNA polymerase. It will carry because this is correct statement. Genetic material in mature retrovirus is RNA. We know what is in the retrovirus. They will do reverse transcription with the help of an enzyme called as reverse transcriptase. Which are the retrovirus? HIV is retrovirus. RSV, that is Rous sarcoma virus, is a retrovirus, and this HIV virus, this is also retrovirus. And recent, this right now today date is 19 May 2020. We are already facing the problem of COVID-19 pandemic. It also has the RNA genome and reverse transcriptase enzyme. Retrovirus are causative agent for certain kind of cancer in men. This is also correct because when a person is suffered from this HIV virus, which contains, so it will cause a cancer called as Kaposis carcinoma. It's extracted from the lichen. We know what is meant by lichen. Lichen is a association between the algae and fungi. Algae is not there, fungi is not there, because when both are combined, that is algal component and fungal component. Algal component is called as phycobiont. Phyco means algae, and fungal component, that is mycobiont. Both combined to form lichen, but maximum there is a fungi, less lichen. Lichen only 5%. In lichen, algae is only 5%, not the more percent. Then protozoan, it will not be there because these micro belong to protista. Then question number 40. Which of the following statement regarding the cilia is not correct? Cilia is hair-like cellular appendages. No. This is not correct. Microtubule of cilia composed of tubulin. Correct. Tubulin is a protein which is in microtubule. This is correct. Cilia contain an outer layer of 9 doublet microtubules surrounded by 2 singlet tubules. This is also correct because when we see their TS, we can see there are 9 doublet like this. This is doublet A and B. Like that, 9 doublet is here, and in the center again 2 doublets are there.